Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the final result of my version of a glass slipper. What I love about this shoe is because it's clear, your foot actually looks like it's floating on a cloud of Swarovski crystals. It's so beautiful, I just love it. And if you've been watching the past, I would say 4 or 5 videos that I've released, they're all just giving a more detailed look at how I apply the crystals. I didn't really take like any kind of pattern to this one. I just applied them as I saw fit, but I highly recommend making this. The shoes were not expensive. The most expensive thing obviously was the crystals, and one shoe takes about a full envelope of crystals. So that's 1,440 pieces, but I will link everything in the bottom of this video. I'll tell you where I purchased the crystals and how many I used. So I just wanted to show this to you. I'll give you a couple of more details and then a better look at the shoe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great week. For this project, I used a clear shoe, clear heel, and completely clear shoe, and E6000 glue. I also used a 16SS and a 9SS Swarovski crystal in crystal clear.